Welcome. Today we're going to simplify your Pinterest experience by showing you how to disable two-factor authentication on your PC. While two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, it can also be a bit cumbersome. If you're ready to make your login process quicker, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents your account settings. Click on it to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, you will see a menu pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Security section on the left side of the screen. Click on Security to access your security settings. In the Security section, locate the option labeled Require Code at Login. This option is part of the two-factor authentication settings. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box next to it. Once you've unchecked that box, Pinterest will prompt you to enter your password for verification. Type in your password carefully and then click on Turn Off. This action will effectively disable two-factor authentication for your account. And that's it. You've successfully disabled two-factor authentication on Pinterest using your PC. Now, you can log in without needing to enter an additional code each time. If you found this guide helpful, or have any questions about managing your Pinterest account, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a smoother Pinterest experience.